Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your problem when you get internet connection but cannot browse any website or use Google Play Store. On your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. To do this, you'll need to go to your settings here, then scroll down and find General Management, and from here go to Date and Time and Automatic Date and Time, enable that. Now if we go back and open Google Play Store, it should work fine, and the same should be with Google Chrome. Now we can browse any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.